Hey guys, so today I'm going to be doing my Boxycharm and my Topbox together again. Just feel like it's probably a bit easier to do them both together. Like I said in the last one, I don't know really what's been going on with this subscriptions lately, but we are here. So before we get into it, I just want to say, ignore the fact that my makeup is very minimal. I guess minimal is the best word for it. I'm barely wearing any makeup. It is hot. I don't even know what any other words to say it. It's scorching in this house. It is so freaking warm here right now. It is literally unbearably hot. And the place that we live in is on the second floor. So we're right in the middle of two warm places, heat rises, all of that jazz. It's hot. It is so hot. So please just ignore that. If you see me with sweat all over my face, I'm sorry. Now, with that being said, let's do my top box first. So this is what the top box looks like. It's not very heavy this month. I'm gonna give you a sneak peek as to what it looks like in here. Okay, so let's just start off with this. Lovely. This is a Sebastian hairspray. It is a Shaper Plus. I'm allergic to this brand hairspray. Well, not this brand's hairspray, just this one in the white. We use it in the salon a lot. So this will be given to somebody else or to maybe one of my coworkers because I can't wear it. I don't get hives, but I scratch very, very much when I wear this. So it's a really decent product. That's actually not the problem. The problem is this is really great and I just can't use it. So up next is this here, and this is the brand Hikari Cosmetics, I think, and this is in Sunkissed, and this says it's a blush. So let's take our little look at her, and it looks more like a bronzer. So I'm actually just gonna do okay. So that's what it looks like. Yeah, it's very not noticeable on my skin whatsoever. So I guess this Sunkissed is gonna have to go to somebody else since it doesn't really show up on my skin. All right, so there are two more items in here, and there is this here, and this is from Clarins, or My Clarins it's called. This is the Reboost Facial Hydration Cream. I've gotten this before. I still have it. I haven't even used it yet. It's a good face cream. It's great for, you know, hydration. Honestly, I have a lot of face creams, so I'm not too sure if I'm keeping it or not, but it's a good brand, so I'll probably keep it. And then we got this nice little bubble wrap spray bottle. Let's take a look at what it is. Okay, so this is from Jabel Naturals, I think it's called, and this is a outdoor adventure mist. It's 100% natural, and it's cruelty free. It's 100% natural body mist made from essential oils known for their bug repelling properties that work to keep bugs at bay without any harmful chemicals. So it's a bug spray. It's what I've always wanted in a beauty box, is a bug spray. It smells gross, which I guess makes sense considering it's a bug spray. It has a shelf life of 12 months, which, I mean, I guess if you go camping a lot, this is perfect. I do not camp. I don't do camping, but yeah. So this is definitely going to be given away. So the only thing I think I'm actually keeping is maybe this. I don't know. I'm just saying this is getting pretty serious. I'm this close to canceling that. I know I said that last time, but not gonna lie, I'm probably definitely canceling that. I might give it one more month just because I would like to see if they step it up a little bit, but August is usually another like summer month, so we'll see. All right, jumping into this Boxycharm. It has been broken. I don't know what happened to it. Just like last month, this box is mangled. Let's hope this box is better than last month's, but let's just jump right into this one. Okay, let's give you a sneak peek. Oh, things are falling. Oh, okay. So this month is called Boxycharm Fantasy. Good pun there. Okay. I really like how it's all pink, but it's all beachy, like corally ocean vibes. And I don't know what that is, so let's take that out. Let's just take a look. Okay, so I can see everything in this box. We might as well just start with, well, let's start with this. This is from Alley Oop, I think it's called Alley Oop. This is a 4 makeup essentials. This is called the Pen Pal 4-in-1 makeup pen. And this is in Make It Mauve. Okay, so this has got some serious old school vibes. It's one of those, you know, retractable pencil pen things where we used to have different colored pens. This is, yeah, so it says on here, I like your face with the heart. So here is, I don't even know what's on here. Let's just see what this says. Okay, so there's an eyeliner in black. There's a champagne highlighter. There's a lip pencil in mauve. And there is an eyebrow pencil in coffee brown. The only problem is I'm not seeing these come out very well. I don't know. Oh, this turns. Will it come out, or do I do it like this and then do it? Okay, so those are the 4 colors. So black, obviously, for the eyeliner. It's kind of patchy. That highlighter is literally going to do nothing, and it's very patchy. I don't know if you can see that, but it's hecka patchy. That lip liner, not bad. That eyebrow pencil probably wouldn't be so bad, except it's kind of light. So I'm not going to lie, probably not going to use this. Let's see how expensive that is. That's a $25 product. You're out your mind. Next one is this here, and this is from Bella Pierre Cosmetics, and this is the liquid eyeliner in black. I see. This is what it looks like. That is what it looks like. This is a heck no. Honestly, I don't understand why a box would think that'd be a good idea to put in eyeliner here and then eyeliner in here. That is some very bad planning, and makes me very kind of pissed. So the liquid eyeliner is $20. Whereas you could go buy almost the same one, I think, from Essence, and it's $5. And it's waterproof. And it's exactly the same, like, little thing. I'm not going to swatch that because I'm definitely not keeping that. All right, up next is this, and this is from Madmeski, I think it's called. This is the Moisture Boost, Vitamin Boost, Feeding. It's nutritional for your face, and it's firming. So this is an actual eye cream. It is huge. This is such a big product. It's very big for an eye cream. Usually they're like half the size of this. This is a $63 product. Definitely gonna keep that one. I actually love their brand, so I'm definitely gonna keep that. Up next is this here, and this is the Dear, I don't even know how to pronounce this, Out-Creasing Retinol Terrifica Serum, I think it's pronounced. That is what it is. Okay, I probably butchered the crap out of that name. So this is your, you know, average little dropper. It does not have it doesn't have a scent. This is probably something I am going to keep. I didn't pick this, but I mean, I'm kind of sick of getting face stuff in these boxes. This one isn't as bad as it could be. Oh, it's only a $39 product. I totally expected that to be way more money for some reason. But anywho, so the last thing in here is the actual thing I picked out, and this is the Mini Mix palette from Ofra, and this is the Good to Go palette, and I'm just gonna open her up for you to see. This is what she looks like. There is some highlights, some colors, some bronzers, blushes. So these are eyeshadows. These are a bronzer and a blush, I think. And then this is a highlighter. And the highlighter is called All the Lights. The only one I don't think I'm going to end up using is this one here, just because it is a color I never really use. But this would be a really great like traveling package because you have everything. I do know that I can pop these out, so I can always put in another eyeshadow as long as it fits in. So I am super excited about that. I did pick that, so I'm just gonna, oh yeah, that's the highlighter there. Love it. Let's see if I could do a swatch of the blush. Oh yeah. So that's the highlighter and then the blush. Love those. So the Ofra palette is a $39 palette, which is really, really good. All right, so let's tally everything up and see how much it all costs together. So altogether, it's $186. I am keeping 2 for sure. So I'm definitely gonna be keeping these 2. I don't know. Actually, it's still worth it for me because the box is like 35 bucks. So for keeping the 2 of these, it's still worth it. I may end up keeping this, but I'm not really sure. This pen and this eyeliner are definitely not staying. It's going in my goodbye box where I give things away to people. All right, well, that was everything in this month's Topbox and Boxycharm unboxing. I are not getting heat stroke from this lovely heat that we've been having. If you guys got either one of these boxes and you actually really love something that I said I disliked, leave me a comment in the comments below. Maybe I may have to take a, you know, another go at it or whatnot. Well, I hope you guys are staying safe and I hope you guys have a great day. Bye!